Hi, today in front of me Moto G13 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap to the sound and vibration. After that you'll see here notifications volume panel, and just to mute notifications we should hold and slide to the left side this volume panel just to mute them, and that's it. So also get one more way how we can do that. Just press up or down volume button, then click here to these three dots, and just by this way we'll launch the same sounds and vibration settings. And to mute notification sound, just hold and slide to the left side this panel, this dot on the notifications volume panel, and tap to done to save the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.